Hello, girls. Say hi. Oh, we just ate the food and we are so happy. And Ava loves her so very much.
You're
You gonna drink water?
I'm gonna take a picture too.
Taylor, talk to me like you were just doing. Oh, yeah? Oh, that's so exciting. Huh? You little nose crinkler? Are you a nose crinkler? Oh, wait till Grandma Sue sees this baby. Oh, don't forget that one over there. Ava, say hi, Grandma Sue.
Hi, Grandma Sue.
Do you want to tell her anything else? Do you want to tell her something, Taylor? What would you want to say to her? What do you want to say to her? Huh? Say, I'm Cheeseball. I'm Cheeseball number 2. Number 1, number 2.
I'm
Number 1. Number 1. Number 2.
Number 2.
What's going on? Was I not looking at you? Oh dear, what happened? Oh, okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye to Grandma Sue. We just wanted her to see you being happy and loud. Oh, it's
Miss you, Grandma Sue.
Oh, what, Ava?
Miss you, Grandma Sue.
Oh.
Can I?
You want to blow her a kiss? Show Grandma Sue. Hold on. Let me get a tape. Can you do a side chassé all the way over there? Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Look at that, Grandma Sue.
Can I see what's on the back of the camera, Mama?
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, Grandma